To the 6th of next month, which will be the D-Day for the Asante sana kwa kufika hapa kwa ajili ya hii press briefing. The local organizing committee zangu Tarusa maybe
2020 we were not able to do this marathon. This year we have had to postpone, and the new date for Eldoret City Marathon, which is a world major marathon, will be held on the 6th of June 2021. So we are inviting all those athletes who had registered, and also those who have not registered, the registration is still open.
I can say from Russia, Uganda, United Kingdom, Poland, Argentina, already we have athletes that they have registered, and all over Kenya.